All right.
All right. I'm Brandon.
Oh, we're going from the beginning? God. Can we just, I just wanted a cut. All right, this page from Ahern Equipment.
All right. I'm Brandon from Ahern Equipment in the parts department.
I'm Alex.
All right. Alex, so can you give us an idea of why this DIPA in this bucket looks like it's a tilt grade bucket?
So, this smoked. The pins and bushings in here are gone. Basically, lack of grease and usage over time has done this. Somebody ain't getting off their ass with their grease gun and taking care of this thing in the morning like they should be. And I think this machine also has like 3,000 hours on it, which is something that's just going to happen. At this point, that pin is probably worn through the bushings inside the end of the stick, and this guy's going to be looking at a line bore for tune of anywhere between $1,000 and $1,500, depending on how bad it is. Don't let your get this bad. Once you start getting some slop in there, come in, get a set of pins and bushings, and just replace it. If your coupler's getting sloppy too, get a new one of those, because all you're doing by waiting is you're just costing yourself more money and downtime in the end, because then you're at the mercy of whoever your line boring guy is, or whoever our line boring guy is, whoever you want to do it.
What are they supposed to look like? What do you got there in your hand?
This is what it's supposed to look like. This is a fresh pin and set of bushings on it. As you can see, a lot less slop.
Virtually none.
Versus as we've seen over here. And
so say you snap a pin, right? You walk in, you get one from us. Will a pin in this situation for this machine, will one pin fix it?
One pin isn't going to fix this machine. Is it going to get you through to the end of the job?
Maybe.
Maybe. But it's not going to fix your problem altogether, because you have a lot more play than just in here. You have play up in here at this point, down here on the bucket cylinder and the dog bone, and almost into the coupler.
Yep.
As you can see by the bucket wiggling right there.
And it looks like the
and there's a lot of side-to-side play there in that thumb. So you have a lot of wear going on, and what that's allowing this machine to do is put side load and torsional forces on this bucket. And sorry, not on the bucket, but on these pins. Make sure you edit that part out. On these pins. And this is one of the most common pins we see broken, because you have the thumb and the bucket putting different forces on it.
Pushing in different directions.
And so when that pin can start walking around, it's bad news.
And then it happens, and then this happens.
Then it ends up looking something like this.
So it sounds like a lot of downtime to me.
It can be a lot of downtime. Normally a repair like this, we're at the mercy of the line boring company, and that can be anywhere from a week to 2 out.
So we're waiting on somebody, our customer's waiting on us. Time's money.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
let's go find a machine that's not All right, let's show me how linkage and stuff is supposed to be.
this is a brand new U55-5,
okay,
and this is exactly what it's supposed to look like.
Okay.
As you can see, grab the bucket, no slop in the pins.
Okay, so no play. So you'd say for the thumb, a little bit of
side play, that's all right, that's acceptable.
Yep.
But you don't want too much play in your coupler here, between the coupler and the stick,
Yep.
or in the bucket, or in those pins. And that is what a brand new set of pins and bushings look like. You'll also notice that there's no slop up here, in the dog bone links, in the bucket cylinder, or in the dog bone.
Well, now they know what a new one looks like and what an old one's not supposed to look like.
Yep, so hopefully they come in, they fix their whether they're just buying parts or whether they're having us do it.
That's right.
So don't cost yourself more money than you need to.